guys, it's LPS Crazy Fans. It's Joyce here, and today I have these surprise capsules. These look like the My Little Pony surprises from Russia, but I actually bought this at Kashano today. And the capsules look a little bit like the My Little Pony Russia. So yeah, let's get these things open. We have 3 of these. Let's open this first one. Here's the collector's guide, and here is the minifigure. Okay, so we have this little fox. Let's read the pamphlet. So these are from the official suite. And this one is from the Geronimo Stilton Classic. Now I know these because when I was a kid, I loved the series. They were so funny. But now when I grew up, I forgot their names. Do they have names on the back? No, they do not have names on the back. So this is the guy we collected. I forgot his name, but I know the series, but I forgot all their names. But some of them, I'm pretty sure that these are like The Simpsons, but in fox form or rat form or whatever you call it. This one is the mayor, I guess. You can collect the mayor, the mom, this father, the son, this adventurer guy, this rat, and this mouse. Okay, so we have 2 different versions of this guy, but this is the other version where he's wearing glasses. This person again, and Mr. Engineer. Okay, so let's put that off to the side because we have 2 more. Next one. Okay, so we have another one of the Geronimo Stiltons. I'm pretty sure all of these are Geronimo Stiltons. Now we have this person, which I know, which is the girlfriend. And what I didn't tell you before, that this guy over here and this girl, they were in love, but then this guy saw this girl, so it's pretty. Yeah, I forgot her name. I forgot all of their names, but I know that this one over here is Mr. Engineer. So let's put her off to the side. And this guy, Mr. Engineer, was really, really funny. He's really ridiculous. Some of you guys sometimes call him Mr. Unbrainiac, which is really, really weird. Oops, I fell her down. So, yeah, so over here, okay, so over here there are 11 to collect. We got Brittany, I'm guessing. Okay. Last one. And I bought these at Kashana, which I told you in the beginning. They were only 5 pesos. Ah, there we go. Oh my goodness. That's so weird. Okay, so we got this person again. Not again, but I told you at the beginning, or I don't know, but this guy broke up with this person, which one was taller, and replaced as this one, which was really angry. And I'll show you what I got right now. Okay guys, that's the end of this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. And I'll see you guys next time. LPS Crazy Fans.